How to change Honeywell thermostat to Google Nest. Follow these instructions. Turn off your HVAC system power at the circuit breaker to avoid shock or damage during the installation process. Gently remove the Honeywell thermostat cover to access the wires and unscrew the base from the wall. Label each wire using the stickers from the Nest box. Then disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. Unscrew and remove the Honeywell mounting plate. Then check if the Nest base covers the hole or needs a trim plate. Push wires through the Nest base plate, level it, and screw it securely into the wall using the included screws. Connect each wire to its matching terminal on the Nest base, then snap the Nest display onto the base. Turn power back on, follow the setup guide on the Nest screen, and complete configuration using the Google Home app. Thank you for watching.